Hi there, welcome. Today we are going to discuss what open e-learning is and how can we use it and so on. So open e-learning is an authoring tool. I guess you know about the authoring tools that we mostly use, and you can see them on every job description, or you can hear about them from any instructional designers. We use them a lot. But let's say you are trying to build your portfolio, or you are working for a non-commercial organization, and you might need some affordable way to build your courses. Here, when I say affordable for this video's sake, it just means free. The first thing is open e-learning is an open source software. That means that we don't have to pay any money when we want to use open e-learning, so it is free. And this is their website. We can download it by clicking download, and by the way, you can use it on Macintosh, Windows, or in other operating systems. So we click download. Right now I am using Mac, so I will pick Mac. It asks if we want to become a member of the private group. We say not yet, and then in Turkish it says that it is downloading. So let's set it up and then continue. So here we have the interface, and we can create new project, open a project, or we can just get the extensions on the main page. Let's say we want to create a new project. We click this one, and here there are some pre-built templates that we can use. These are the classic, the gray or Professor Fox, there's a learn path, meet purple, and templates. So let's say that we want to create a learn path, and we click this one. And here is the pre-made template that we can just use. Let's just examine this application, which looks very similar to the PowerPoint presentations. As you can see, there are some slides that we can just adjust. And when we want to use them, we can click on them, and then click this page and pencil, which is hide there, because it's our first application, and then we save it. So this is the first one, and it goes to the first slide. So let me try this one. I just click overview. When I click the first one, it goes to the first question, and as you can see, these are French, so I assume that means response. So let's say click this one, and then we can continue. So as you can see, it is pretty similar to the other authoring tools. We have buttons here, which we can update them, which we can change them. We have text, speech text, and we can also add media, and we can look at the modes. We can change the page slides, and there are some other templates that we can use, like we can add here an avatar, we can create an hangman, we can create a learning coin, we can add here AIve, which is very useful when we want to create games, e-learning games, and we can also add timer, score, golden stars, and so on. So let's say that you created your course and you want to publish it. You can go to main and then publish. Here we have two options. We can publish it as SCORM or as an HTML. So feel free to discover it by yourself, and I hope you enjoy it, and see you soon.